So because we're hungry, we cannot just see the uh, water and we will be full. So we need to find out a restaurant so we could eat lunch. Yes, it's so clear the water. So we start looking for the restaurant. And for sure it's good to have the seafood here and eat next to the water. That's exciting, right? So let's find out the way to the restaurant. And now we are looking. Yes, it's a bit walk from the seashores. And the church is closed. And then we need to walk more up to look for the restaurant. It is very, the walls and everything is like old. But the people is nice. They greeted us. And then we passed by with all those people, men and women. They want to jump to the water, going to the restaurant. So this is the way. Mm-hmm. Many people is in the restaurant, almost full the table when we came. So this is the beautiful Akko. I would like to ride on that boat, but we don't have spare clothes when we're there. So just look at them. Yeah, there's a steps going down to the restaurant and you will eat next to the water. Yay, exciting. I loved it. Yay. You know the feeling then when the water is like, with the walls and everything. It's really, I feel awesome that time. Yes, very nice. But we are hungry. Hungry people wants food. So we dine in there and we will eat fish and seafoods. Yes, it's called Pisan Restaurant in Akko. Okay, very nice. And the nuns and the sisters is so happy and we are all happy. Yes. Ray and I, it's a much needed off from work. Yes. I feel afraid for them because I think it's too high from that wall going down to the water. But it seems they are enjoying. They had fun really there. While we are there, I saw them. They go up from the step, then jump up, then going back again. Oh, as you can see the water. Hi, it's so good to see the water. Yes. And the boat, for sure. Very nice. Yeah. This is Akko, Israel, the ancient city of Akko. Yes. Oh, did you see that? That's a nice jump. Very nice. I'm just happy looking at them, I think it's too high to jump in there. I don't know how to, but They loved it, like, as I could see. Yes. Is that woman will jump up too? Oi. Let's see. Wow! Yay! Jump so high. Yes, and the boat we keep on seeing boat passing by. Little boat, speedboat. Yes, it's good to see them. Thank you all for watching. Follow for more.